So you might be wondering, where is Google Play on the iPhone? So let me explain it all in this video. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So you might be switching from Samsung or Android to the iPhone, and on those devices we simply have the Play Store available as such, so you can always get inside and just browse apps and download whatever you need and find some apps, games, whatever, right? So if you're trying to replicate the same thing on the iPhone, what do? Well, the whole difference is that you are switching to a completely different operating system. We're switching from Android to the iPhone. And on the Apple devices, the way to download the apps is not through the Play Store, but through the App Store, which looks like this. You know, the blue icon with the A on it is actually App Store, but you can think of it as literally the same thing, but on the iPhone. Right? So this is the place where you go to download apps. On Android, it's this like Play thing, you know, the Google Play, where you open up to download more apps. But on the iPhone, you do it this way. So you get inside, right? Of course, look up whatever you want. You can download games and yeah, literally whatever you want. But that's like the whole point. So does it mean that Google Play is inaccessible on the iPhone? Well, to a degree, yes, but you can still like open up the Safari web browser and look up Google Play. So you can technically load up the Google Play Store, but you can only like browse the apps and contents of this. You cannot download apps from Google Play to iPhone. You can only browse it as like a public website. So that's how it works. For downloading apps, we have the App Store, but that's all I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in the future videos like this one.